So let us begin with a quick demo of our product. So yeah, let's begin with the customer side. So yeah, as you can see, this is the vehicle dashboard. We have all the vehicle status, telemetry, next service, agent status, and as you can see, on every 10 seconds, my system automatically do the diagnostics and refreshes the dashboard and detecting the real time issue, which is like here. I've just taken an example. It is coolant pump failure and it analyzes a summary, and then we have the live agent activity. Now, going back to the service center side, so yeah, this is the service center side, and yeah, as you can see, there are some active cases, critical risk average resolution, and today's appointment. Then we will have the incoming queue of vehicles which have been diagnosed, and then we have cooling system failures. These are all the agent activity logs, and then we have the upcoming appointments. These are the customers who have been the part of the service center, and from here, going back from the customer portal the side, uh, as you can see, it's again taking 10 seconds to refresh. We can exactly schedule a service visit from here. So yeah, this appointment has been booked. And as you can see, my scheduling agent has just done, and yeah, just confirmed the appointment. So yeah, this is a basic prototype, and currently we have made it at a very basic level. In the upcoming rounds, we will make it a complete product, and we will thus show you that real-time simulation of all the agents. Thank you very much.